Hello Kabsat! So we're still here at Taipei, Taiwan and we are going to celebrate our Monthsary with Buddy Moby. Ayan, at eksakto naman talaga na celebrate natin yung Monthsary natin dito sa Baymen. At sineselebrate pala ang Summer Festival dito sa Baymen. So samahan niyo ako with this video. Tara! So, nandito nga kami sa Ximen at papunta na kami sa Baymen kung saan may held yung Taipei Summer Festival at may pa-fireworks doon. So, guys, samahan nyo kami. Ayan, nandito tayo sa train station at ito na nga, kakalabas lang namin sa Baymen Station at papunta muna kami sa food street dito. Ito, napakaganda dito sa lugar na to. Makikita mo yung mga iba't ibang structure at may mga napakadaming stalls actually. So itong street na to, may mga pagkainan o mga pwedeng kainan. Ayan, kabilaan yan. So ito, meron din yung parang famous, pinipilaan din to, yung parang siyang candy. So trinay din natin yan. Ayan. So, dagdag na naman sa diabetic natin. Oo, pero pang malakasan. It's a malt sugar cookie. So, must try it. So, napaka raming stalls dito. Mga food stalls, mga pwedeng mag-shopping. Ayan. Ang ganda ng mga structures dito talaga. So, naglibot-libot muna kami dito sa area na to kasi gabi pa yung firework display. So, nagtingin muna kami ng pwedeng makainan. Ayan, ang daming tao sa lugar na to. Actually, iba't ibang nationality din. Pero, since may event na ngayon, so karamihan ng mga Taiwanese nandito. And ayan, so nagtry na din kami ng mga food dito, mga Taiwanese food. It's a traditional food. So, nandyan si Rona. Ayan. So, isa sa mga food pala ito, yung rice na may toppings na din, parang siyang adobo, and ayan, may soup. Ito yung parang meatloaf or an egg and sauteed veggies.
This one is a little bit salty.
Yeah, that's people. Actually, this is the traditional people in Taiwan.
What kind of fruit is this or vegetable?
I think it's radish.
Line up mo lang doon. So, in-enjoy lang namin yung food at napakasarap naman talaga ng food dito sa Taiwan at kasama natin yung taong mahal natin. Char! So, ayan, papunta na kami sa place kung saan magaganap yung fireworks display. Ayan. So, napakadaming tao ang papunta doon ngayon. Ayan.
Go! Let's go! 调一下，每个人让他停下来。
It's a lot. Hi, buddy.
各位游客进入水门或跨越行驶后，迅速通过，迅速通过。
Faster. Let's go fast. So after few minutes, ayan, narating na namin yung place. Ayan, ito yung riverside na paghaheldan ng fireworks. So, sa gilid nito, madaming tao. Actually, napakadaming tao. At dito kami pumesto kasi mas makikita namin yung fireworks. So in front wala nilagyan ng barricade ito kasi para for the security na din ng tao para walang mahulog sa river. Ayan, napakaganda ng place, yung city view, yung ganitong scenery. Grabe yung and very romantic naman talaga. May mga nagbabangka pa at night and Yun, malapit ito sa airport kasi ng Songshan. So, may mga pa-arrival na nakikita mo yung mga eroplano na pababa. So, ito. Ni hao, sabay di Sawadee Cup. So, we are here in what's this place? It's Beijing. Baymen. It's in Baymen, or it's in Tamsui River, right? It's Tamsui River, and right now they are celebrating the it's a summer festival, or it's a
Summer Firework Festival.
yeah. And I'm with Buddy, Moby, and Ronnie. Ronnie's there. Yeah, it's a lot of it's a massive people right now from
写入踩踏路障，以测安全。
from there to
3
there.
号水门及4号水门为散场动线，后方有流动
So be with us.
随工作人员指引前进，
This kind.
勿占用自行车道。大会
There's an
广播，
announcement.
大会
So
广播。
guys, be
现
with
场
us.
人潮众多，请避免
With
推
this,
挤，且入踩踏路障。
Hello.
Hello. You take over my vlog. Since I didn't record all of the videos this day, and it's really hurt, and all of the videos was deleted. So this is the last video. I mean,
I look
we're
so
going to
fat.
attend.
I look so fat. I will be this side.
Yeah, and we are witnessing the firework display.
Yeah, the
Yes.
Summer Firework Festival.
So from
We are in the Baymen. It's near the Tamsui River.
Tamsui River. Yeah.
Actually, there's a market, but it's so far and it's so
Tamsui.
crowded.
It's Bayman Market.
It's not the market. I think it's. I don't know.
And
It's so crowded there.
it lasts for how many seconds
How many seconds?
for the fireworks?
180 though.
It's
Yeah,
$180. No,
180 seconds.
180 seconds. So it's just like a 3
It's about
minute-
3 minutes.
3 minutes, yeah. And we will witness in this. It's really nice because this is it is just only every Wednesday for this.
I think for
That's only
these
that.
2 months, July and August, and every Wednesday.
Yeah, every Wednesday, and actually it's a lot. It's a massive people right now sitting here to here to that way. Yeah,
This is summer vacation.
it's summer vacation of the students. It's a lot of kids right now. Yeah. And yeah, be with us and let's experience this kind of event. It's really nice. We are happy with Ron. Actually, Ron is there.
大会广播，大会
One
广
of
播
the。river.
现场
Actually,
人潮
she is
众多，
swimming
请
right
避
now in
免
the
推挤
river.
且入踩踏路障，以测安全。
Let's go.
3号游戏及周
So
边
guys,
商业
it
的
will
消费。
start in a few
今晚
minutes.
8点半即将为各位献上大稻城夏日节第2场花火演出，展现大稻城商业与人文的繁华。现在就让我们屏息以待，一起欣赏这场属于大稻城水岸的美丽花火。让我们一起倒数20秒，迎接这场夏日花火。12、14、13、12、11、10、9、8、7、6、
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my.
finish? Finish?
Yeah, it's 180 seconds to 3 minutes.
So guys, there you have it, and you just witnessed the fireworks
加水
here.
器，离场民众请跟随工作人员的指引，往就近的水门移动离场。
So
车辆提杠题外停车场的民众，为避免人车争道，请您稍后。将视情况于9点钟后将再
Thank
开
you.
放车辆
Bye
离场。
bye.
活动现场设有流动厕所及热水，请大家
So, ganito nga karami yung dumalo dito sa firework or summer festival dito sa Baymen. Ayan. So, nagpicture-picture lang kami ni Buddy Moby and got some shots here. At, ayan, maraming salamat sa mga nanood at sumusuporta sa aking channel, and keep supporting Bandongski Travels, and see you to my next vlog. Kap kun kap, kap chay laylay, agya manak. Sheshe! Bye-bye!